Hi friends, welcome back to my channel JN Academy. I am Devansh Pathak and today we are going to start our new topic which is agriculture. So at first please remember to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Also share this video among your friends and family. And our today's topic is agriculture, which is the first chapter of your class 8 and NCRT science. So, in this video, you will learn about agriculture practices, beginning of agriculture, and types of crops. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, our first topic is beginning of agriculture. Now, as we all know that many years ago, people hunted animals and ate raw fruits and vegetables from trees and plants. But around 10,000 BC, early man discovered that plants grow from seeds. So they discovered this accidentally, and that's why today farmers grow crops. So this started around 10,000 BC. Now, so after that, people left hunting and started agriculture on a large scale. Now, we are going to learn about types of crops. So, first you should know that what are crops. So, crops are plants that are grown on a large scale for food and other necessities such as food, clothes, medicine, fruits, and vegetables. Now where does the word agriculture come from? So agriculture comes from two Latin words, which is first is ager, ager, which means field, and second is cultura, means cultur, meaning cultivation. So agriculture comes from two Latin words. Now, when plants of the same type are grown on a large scale, it is said to be a crop, and I already told you. And in India, crops are grown in very different regions for cereals, fruits, vegetables, oil seeds, and pulses. Now, there are two types of plants that are not used for obtaining food, such as jute and cotton. Now, these two are used for other necessities, such as cotton is used for making cotton clothes and other things, and jute is used to make jute ropes. Now, there are different types of crops all around the world, but they all need different temperature, sunlight, humidity, rainfall, and soil. Such as in Rajasthan, we have sandy soil, so there only plants like tobacco, cactus can be grown. So in India, the climate conditions and soil composition vary widely among the different regions. For example, in the southern region, we have sunny and rainy season. In Mumbai, we are rainy and sunny. In Jodhpur, we have sunny season. In Delhi, we have sunny season. In Gujarat, we have rainy season, and etc etc. Now, in these different regions, different types of crops are also grown, as you can see in this figure. Now we are going to study about the types of crops. So there are mainly two types of crops, which is Kharif crops and Rabi crops. So first we are going to study about Kharif crops, which is crops that are sown in the rainy season. And as we all know that rainy season lasts from June to September. So Kharif crops are sown only in the rainy season. such as rice, maize, soya bean, cotton, groundnut, etc. So why are these sown only in the rainy season? Because the necessity of water in these plants is very high, that that cannot be fulfilled in other seasons. That why only monsoon season is best for these crops. Now next we have rabi crops. Now rabi crops are crops that are grown in winter season, as these crops need a limited amount of sunlight. Means, as we all know that in sunny we have very high amount of sunlight, and in rainy season we have high amount of water but low sunlight. So that's why winter is best for these crops such as wheat, gram, mustard, pea, linseed, and etc. So these crops are known as rabi crops. These two are very important points that you should remember. Now, if you are thinking that what do we grow in the summer season, so different types of pulses, vegetables are grown in summer season. Okay, for example, onion, dal, and etc, etc. Now, as you can see in this chart, we have different examples of kharif and rabi crops that you can note down, which is very important. Now we are going to study about agricultural practices. Now, in developed countries, nearly all agriculture activities are mechanized. Means, in developed countries such as USA, Japan, so here for agriculture different types of mechanical things are used, such as tractors, water sprinklers, seed sowing, different types of machines. So these are generally used in developed countries, but as India is a developing country, in India farmers manually perform these activities of crop production. That's why we have the best crop production all over the world, because they are not done using different type of machines. They are usually done by farmers. So now, crop cultivation requires many activities to ensure a good growth of crop. So, as we all know, we have different stages of growth in our bodies, such as first we are child, then we become youth, then old. So, these process also vary in crops. Now, these types of cultivation is called agriculture practices. Now we have different types of agricultural practices, and these are the steps. First step is soil preparation, in which the soil is plugged by the farmers so that they can sow the seed easily. Second, we have to get the best seed to be sown in that land which is plugged earlier. Next, we have to add manure so that uh, the plant should not be destroyed by other microbes. Next, we have irrigation to provide water to the plants and nourishment. Next, we have protecting from weeds. So weeds can be grown anywhere from their own, so that's why they can harm the crops. That's why we should protect them from weeds. Next, we are harvesting of crop. Means, when the crop is fully grown, we have to harvest it by cutting it, and last we have to store these crop products. So that is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy this video, and please make sure to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.